It's finally here. I have dreamed about this day for my entire life. It seems like yesterday that we were in the right place at the right time when we found each other. The first time I told my mom about you, she said, with a big smile on her face, "You're going to marry him, I know it."
I can't believe today is finally here. For the first night we met, I knew something changed in my life. I found my forever. Everyone has always said, when you know, and I knew.
I'll never forget when she told me about meeting Dom again, because we obviously knew him back from the IHM days. It felt like the beginning of something important, and it was. Dom has brought out the best of Melissa and fit right in with our family. He has constantly supported her during the storm that has been being a COVID bride, and I personally couldn't be more excited to raise a glass to finally toasting the new Mr. and Mrs. Tridenti. I love you both.
I'm not going to forget. You wanted me to get the rings and the sign. I got one thing to do here, the rings, and I got one thing at the church to get the sign. So I'm going to try my other memory, my hard drive.
As we pieced all of our family, school, and friend connections together like a puzzle, our destiny became more clear, like we were wiping fog off a mirror. You are my perfect match. I admire, adore, respect, and trust you. You are the strongest person I know. I love you more today than yesterday. I am so proud and excited to call you my wife, and so much more.
You're always by my side through every achievement and celebration. You make all the little and big moments brighter. I can't wait to see what our future holds. Domenic Joseph Tridenti, you are my person. You are my today and all of my tomorrows.
Domenic, thank you for just continuing to be the guy that I always had dreamed of for Melissa. And I'm not done.
Oh, I just want to stand. Love you.
Melissa, I just adore you. I'm so happy that you found happiness.
When I was 2, my parents got me a brother. I wanted a puppy. To me, he's the best person you can have by your side. I'm so happy you two found each other. I mean it when I say that I'm gaining a sister today. And I'm glad I didn't get a puppy.
And now would you join me in welcoming for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Domenic Tridenti.
My friend and my whole heart. I love you. I'll always remember us this way.
I'll be right by your side for life, and nothing makes me happier.
Hi, I'm
John from PGP Wedding Films, and welcome to Say Yes to the Best, where we talk to the best wedding pros to give you wedding planning advice.